Hi, welcome to Cecily Studio YouTube channel. Here I am in Blacksburg, Virginia, and I'm checking out Glade Road Growing, and that is located in the Rising Silo Brewery on the left, and also across from the Heritage Community Park. So it's really beautiful here, and it's also really great to see some organic produce. So there is an area where they have refrigerated items and everything is clearly labeled and marked. And then you can self-pay. So it is clearly labeled as to how to do that if you are not, there's nobody around to work with. And it seems like it's an honor system. What I also noticed is that they have farm shares, and you can purchase other things including beef, chicken, eggs, honey, soap, heritage pork, and vegetables with that. It's a pre-order, and everything is clearly labeled on their website. They have a lot going on. I was really impressed with all the events that they have with this Glade Road growing organic farm. And so my understanding is that they lease out 2 areas, and they've been doing this since 2010. Right now you can pick your own sunflowers, which is kind of cool, by donation. And yeah, I recommend coming out here and supporting this farm. And thanks for tuning in and liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is Cecily Studio YouTube channel. And by the way, you can also put your bikes here. I thought that was a great perk, because if you're coming from the Huckleberry Trail, it's right here.